Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be seeing another feature called the dome feature. So as the name suggests, it's basically used to create a dome. So first let us start off by making a solid feature, and I'll extrude this circle now. Now again the dome feature can be activated in the insert menu. So go to insert features and dome. So select the surface to create the dome and give the dimensions as you want, and now you can press OK. The dome is created as you can see, and there's another feature also in dome, so let's see it again. Activate dome, select the surface. You can also make this uh, elliptical dome. As you can see, the surface changes from circular to elliptical, so based on the dome requirements you can make. So there is a clear difference, as you can see. In the dome, this is the circular one, this is the elliptical one. This is much more smoother. So this was the dome feature which we saw. Hope it was helpful. If you have any doubts or any recommendations, you can put them in the comments. Thank you for watching.